I give up. I give up. I give up. She wasn't joking, man. It's a wild ride. I started stressing my ankle out. I was using so much force to try to stand.
The one who
Oh wait, Luxor?
Oh, do we get out now?
like who kept announcing everything.
Depends where you're going.
Luxor.
Yes.
Get out now?
Yes. Yes.
Well,
when the door opens.
Well, not now. That would be a little fast for us.
No stage diving.
Back out, Mom.
We're gonna let them get out first, and then I'll be back out. Okay, you're good.
Good to go.
Start beeping it up. Go.
Beep, beep, beep.
So this is where we want to go if we go to Luxor, right? I know, but I think we want to go to Luxor this way, right?
I don't know.
Your walkway to Allegiant Stadium. Starbucks. Got one of those ice bars. A little speakeasy down there. It's the Raider image. If you want to avoid the long lines down at the Las Vegas sign, well heck, come down here and get your picture taken here. Get your Ron, John surf shop. Guinness store. The Rerot Irish Pub. I believe you can get some My Vegas rewards there.
My girlfriend's like, you should get it too.
The Flip Flop Shop. Ooh, we should be shopping in there. Slice of Vegas, they're known for cheap pizza. Do you want to grab a slice to take with you on the go?
Maybe when we come back.
All right, Fat Tuesday. What?
Fat Tuesday?
Ooh, look at what's coming soon here at the Luxor. Kung Fu Tea. Heck yeah.
Fat Friday sounds better.
I agree. Fat Tuesday is because Mardi Gras is on Fat Tuesday. You're fine. So we are at the Luxor. That was how quick it took to walk here. I feel like we're in Star Wars here. And boom, you're inside of the pyramid.